Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm making some grass-fed beef burgers. These are my bomb burgers, okay? I'm putting my seasoning all over those burgers, and because they're grass-fed, they have a more heartier taste. So you want to get great seasoning on there. And my all-purpose seasoning, you don't have to add anything to it. It is great by itself. So I'm just letting these simmer and settle in, okay? No flattening, no touching it. Just let those burgers cook, okay? That is the deal to a perfect burger. So let's go ahead and get our buns ready while these burgers are cooking. I'm using potato rolls. I'm buttering them up really, really good. And then I'm going ahead and putting them on the flat top. Now back to the burgers. After 10 minutes, okay, after 10 minutes, if it has that nice brown at the bottom like that, you want to go ahead and flip it. Once you flip it, you'll see your burger draining. Now, if you want a well-done burger like me, that red is going to eventually turn white. Once it gets clear fluids, clear liquid, it's time to go ahead and put your cheese on. So I flip it, and then I'm adding some pepper jack and Swiss cheese to this burger. Okay, the bomb. So go ahead and add a dab of water in the middle. That would steam the cheese and get it nice and melted. And right now I'm going to dress it. So I'm doing mayo. You can do whatever you like, but I'm doing mayo and a crisp piece of romaine lettuce because I love the crunch. Okay, then I'm going to lay that burger down. And I'm telling you, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. I'm going to add some mango Mia sauce. I'm going to pour that all over the burger. This sauce is great on everything, okay? And then I'm going to do some fresh Pico de Gallo. I love fresh pico. I make it all the time because I use it on everything. Now I'm also going to add some avocado and some grilled shrimp that I made right before I made the burgers, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and drizzle it a little bit more with the Mango Mia Caribbean sauce. Get into it, you guys. This is the burger. And then I'm going to add a little bit more crunch to it. Making me mouth watering ready. Oh my God. I need you guys to try this burger, please. You would not be disappointed. I want you guys to like, comment, and share this content and subscribe to the channel. And I love you guys for free.